Welcome everyone to the May edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Newsletter. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors. So a lot going on in the economy, really, in the markets. We're starting to see inflation has leveled off and might be rising a little bit. You know, crude oil, $85. Gold was approaching 2,400. So what does that all mean? And I don't think we're going to see interest rates be coming down anytime soon. And that's what the Federal Reserve has kind of been talking about lately. So we're going to have to see what that impact that's going to have on the economy, right? Slowing economy, inflation, that's the recipe for stagflation. So just keep an eye on that for the next couple months. So we'll see. This month I have some great videos. The Whiteboard, should I buy health insurance from the marketplace in railroad retirement? Right, so a lot of railroaders leave before Medicare starts at 65. So this isn't a big issue for a lot of people that don't have railroad retirement. But if you're leaving at 60 and you don't have access to health care, where are you going to get that? Look at the marketplace. Always run those numbers. It's not that price sensitive, because you do get the advanced premium tax cut. So check that video out. Mailbag, how much does my tier 2 increase each year? Right, a railroader wants to know, hey, if I keep staying, how much is that going to increase my tier 2, right, which is the big benefit. So that's the time component of your railroad retirement, right? The other piece being compensation. The checklist, what issues should I consider regarding the TCG&A tax cuts? 2 years left, and then the tax rates are going up if nothing happens, right? So, those in the 22%, you're going to be going up to 25. Those in 24 are going to be going up to 28. So you got to do your tax planning now, right? It's not tax prep where you look in the rear view mirror. Tax planning, look forward, right? So you have 2 years, go through that checklist. And then the economic chart is it's on the bond market. So we're in the longest bond bear market rally in a long time. It's been 44 months. So what that means is the interest rates have been slowly going up for the last 44 months. And we're not sure they're going to come back down again. But look at that chart, and that will give you some ideas on what to expect with interest rates. So, hey, share this newsletter with other railroaders. And until next month, everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.